Dear friends, today we are going to learn how to create a spring along a particular path. First click on File, then click on New. Keep the part selected, then click OK. Click on Front Plane, go to a Sketch, then click on a Sketch. Here we shall create the path along which we shall create the spring. I shall take the hexagonal path. You can take any type of path that you want. I shall create a hexagon here. Press escape. Then go to smart dimension. Here I will take the dimension as 100. It has taken 1 year. I will make it 100. Then press enter. Click on OK. So this is the path along which I want to create my spring. Exit the sketch now. Now I shall create the profile of the spring. Click on front plane. Click on sketch. So I will create the circular profile for the spring. You can create any type of the profile for the spring that you want. So I will create a circular profile here. Press escape. Go to a smart dimension. I will keep the diameter of this circular profile as 2. Take this circle to this side. Now take the distance between the origin and this circular profile of the spring as 60. You can take any values of these dimensions as per your requirement. Go to exit sketch. So here in the path of the spring we must have fillets here. So go to the sketch. This is the sketch of our path. So the path along which the spring will move or the path along which the spring will be created should be smooth. That should not contain sharp edges. So I will go to the fillet. I will select all the edges here and keep it as 12. You can take any values as per your requirement. Exit the sketch from here. Now here sketch 1 is the path along which we have to create the spring and sketch 2 is the profile of the spring. Now go to features. Click on swept boss. Now here in the profile we have to select the circle and in the path we have to select this hexagonal path that we have created. Now here go to the options. Now here you have to select the follow path. Then in the profile twist you have to select a specified twist value. Then here degrees you have to select the revolutions. Now here you have to give the number of revolutions. You can give any number of revolution as per your requirement. I am trying here by giving it the value as 50. You can take any value. I will make it 30. Click on OK. So here we have created a spring along the hexagonal path. I can adjust the values if I want. Like this value, if I want it to be 55, then the spring width will be decreased. Click on rebuild here. Like this, you can control the various parameters of the spring. You can also increase the number of revolutions. If I make it 50, then you can observe that the number of revolutions will increase like this. If you make it 100, then it will look like more beautiful. So in this way, you can create the spring along any required path. I have taken hexagonal path here. You can take any type of path, any type of spline, or any type of curve. You can take any type of path and you can create your spring along any path you want.
Dear friends, I worked very hard to create this high quality video for all of you. It is my humble request that please support me by liking, subscribing, and sharing my video so that I may continue uploading these types of high quality videos for you. Please comment below the topic in which you want me to create videos for you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.